Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is going to be real short and real sweet. If you didn't watch parts 1 and 2, you'll be a little bit lost. I wish I would have added this to part 2 because it's so easy. This looks like it's kind of floating there and there or transparent. Well, interactive fill tool will not work, and we'll just kind of prove that on that image. It just won't work. But the transparency tool will. So if you click on your image and go to transparency, look at that. Look how much it kind of changes it, like it's going up into more like the original. And if I would have, done the picture better, I actually did the picture better for this one. I took out, maybe that's one of these I did a little bit more time. And you spent some time to get rid of all this other stuff and there's jagged edges and there's a little bit of gray around this girl's head. It would work, and I think that will. So I hope this is really helping the person that asked how to do this, but it didn't take any time whatsoever. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.